Welcome to another episode of uh, SG Survival Games, LBSG Survival Games. I totally just messed that up, but oh well. And I am here with my friend Blizard Wolf. Yeah, so I decided to record another one after we won the other one. Alright. There's still not a lot of people. Oh god, I'm lagging. I was glitching back. Uh, should we camp spawn?
I ran off.
You ran off without me?
Yeah.
Wait, where are you?
I don't know. I'm running.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Did you even grab anything?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna chase the guy.
Oh god, I'm dying. I see you. I see you. I think that's you. Unloaded chunk. Gonna have to.
Oh god, there's a guy. You're... Did I kill him? Nope. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, I'm so gonna die. Rip me. Oh, there's someone right above me.
Wait, are you in a building?
No, I'm still at spawn. Oh, Jesus. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, God.
I found some chests.
Bro, I'm gonna die.
You're gonna die. I'm gonna die.
What are you talking about? Oh, Cake just heals you. Cake heals you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. I laid 2 hits on him. Oh, there's someone chasing me. Ah. I'm going out. I'm going out. Yep, I'm going out. Okay, there's no one chasing me. I lied. Shh. Okay. Food. In my inventory. Armor.
You were 2 below me, I think.
Does that guy want to fight? Come on, bro. Let's fight. You at spawn? Where are you?
No, I'm in a building. There's a team of 2 below me.
Come on, come here.
Gonna make a run for it.
Oh, killed him. Okay. Come to spawn.
I'm running towards spawn.
Okay.
I see you. I'm running towards spawn.
Alright.
It's an unloaded chunk though.
Just find a way into spawn.
I'm crouching behind a tree. I freaking juke them. Wait, like, come towards me.
Wait, where are you?
Over here. I'm jumping.
Oh. What?
Over here.
Yeah. I see you. Oh, there's someone over there.
I know, I'm crouching. It's 2 people.
Is it?
Yeah.
I only see one.
There were 2.
He's not that geared.
Can you kill her?
Probably, yeah. Yes, I killed her.
No, you're at the wrong place.
What? What do you mean?
Come back. Keep walking forward.
There's a bunch of shit jumping around.
I'm running towards you.
Yeah. Oh, I see him. Yeah, come in here.
They see me. I can't. That's an unloaded chunk.
Oh. Yeah, I'm here. I'm right next to you.
Okay, they're coming after me. I can't see you.
Oh, that's... Wait. They're not coming.
They are coming.
They're not. They're just standing there.
No, you're lagging. God damn it. Gonna die.
Okay, fine. I'll run towards you then.
I'm running away.
I can try to clean them up, but I'm not sure if I can, like, take both of them.
I could probably kill one if I catch them off guard. Let's just wait till deathmatch.
Oh, I'm shaking. Oh boy. Okay. They went into an unloaded chunk, so I'm not gonna bother.
I'm not either.
Did the chest reload?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna go in then?
I can't get into small. Only you can.
Okay. I'm gonna just check if there's, like, stuff then.
It's okay, I have full iron. Oh no, I think my game just froze.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it just froze.
Oh boy.
Tell me if I died or not. If it doesn't say, I'll just wait.
It doesn't say. Oh, yep. Blizard fell from a high place.
Yeah, I died.
Okay. Just need to find an iron helmet.
If you see a broken boat, that's where I died.
There is no iron helmet. Shit.
I had an iron helmet. I had four.
I know, I saw. Wonder if there's anything up there. I'm not sure. I don't want to risk it.
What are we left?
Should I risk it for the biscuit? Are they really up there? How many people are left? I'm not sure. Let's see. 4 survivors left. Oh, it's just me and the 2 teamers.
You're dead.
Definitely.
Unless you could somehow kill one of them and then somehow like juke the other.
Oh boy. This is gonna be hard. Oh, I see them. They're in a building, I think. If I can somehow get to them. They're like either in this building or this building. Oh, I see one of them. There's a new moving tag. Yeah, I can totally enter from other side. Okay. Oh boy. Like, my food is down too, so. Deathmatch starts in like a minute. How do you go up?
Yeah, well, I can't see, so.
Oh, there's ladders over here. Oh, fuck. I am so fucked. Okay. Oh, I won! What the I killed one, and I won. Oh, okay. Well, I'm speechless, knowing that I won 3 games in a row since I played.
Wait, let me get on to end it.
Okay, we're gonna say bye together, and yeah, that was kind of fun. Kind of nerve-wracking since I know that there were 2 teamers, 2 people teaming, and they might kill me, but somehow I won with just killing one of them. Probably one just dropped down or something. You never know. But I see Blizard.
Meet me in the room.
Yeah.
Meet me in a room.
Secret room. Shh. Shh. Wrong exit. Okay. We're just gonna be here. What does the sign say? I found a secret room. Yeah. Alright, that's really inappropriate. So I'm just gonna hide the chat. And yeah, we're gonna say bye. And we'll see you next episode.